In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate documents using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working with international teams, accessing foreign documents, or just brushing up on your language skills, this can be an invaluable tool. Now, let's walk through each step with clarity and ease, ensuring your document translations are seamless. First, you'll want to begin by opening your document. Acrobat provides multiple ways to do this. You can open any existing document saved on your computer, or if you're working on something fresh, you can create a new document right within the application. Having the document open and ready is the first essential step before diving into translation. Now, with your document open, let's navigate to the toolbar. You'll notice a section titled Tools, which houses a myriad of features and functionalities. From this area, you'll want to look for and select the option Translate Document. Adobe Acrobat offers an array of language options, ensuring you find the language you need for your translation purposes. Selecting your preferred language is crucial because it affects how the document's content will appear post-translation. Once you've selected the language you want to translate your document into, the next step is straightforward. Simply click Translate. This will command the application to begin the translation process, converting the document's contents into your chosen language. Adobe Acrobat is designed to handle this efficiently, ensuring that the translated text maintains the original structure and layout of your document as much as possible. After the translation is complete, it's time to save or download your newly translated document. To do this, navigate to the File option in the menu. Clicking on this will present you with various file-related actions. You'll want to select Save as PDF Document. Saving your file ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and that you have a tangible, accessible copy of the translated document. That's it for the steps. By following this straightforward guide, you'll have translated a document using Adobe Acrobat quickly and efficiently. Remember, whether you're using this for personal projects or professional reasons, being precise with these steps ensures that your document serves its intended purpose effectively. I hope this guide enhances your document handling and helps bridge any language barriers you might face. Thanks for joining me today, and happy translating!